Reddit threads can be packed with great information and insights, but to be honest, they can be very messy, repetitive, and time-consuming to read. So that's why we built a brand new feature inside Keywords Everywhere that instantly summarizes any Reddit thread instantly using AI. So in this video, I'll show you how it works and how it can spot trends and key insights faster than ever. Okay, first, make sure you have the Keywords Everywhere browser add-on installed and turned on. Then go to any Reddit community. I'm currently in the SEO community. And as you can see, there are tons of threads here. This user posted about 1 month ago that their traffic dropped 70% after the Google July update. And there are 66 comments here. So let's go into here. And he goes on to explain how his keywords are dropping and sitting at position 20 or worse. And you could see all of these various users responding and trying to offer their suggestions and opinions on how to navigate this July update. Now, as you can see, it could be very time consuming to really read, decipher, and get the most value, get all of the answers in a concise way. Taking a look at this Reddit thread. So that's why Keywords Everywhere added this brand new widget on the top right hand side. So now we could use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek to summarize this entire Reddit thread in seconds. Now for this example, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on ChatGPT, and now ChatGPT will analyze the entire Reddit thread and provide us with a full summary. Okay, here we go. Also, keep in mind that you can use the free version of ChatGPT as well. Okay, so here is the entire summary of that Reddit thread. ChatGPT found 5 main discussion points. So it looked like many users talked about expectations. There's various competing theories like authority and links versus content quality. And also some talk about diagnostics like tracking, keyword loss analysis, and so forth. And out of the 66 or so comments, these are the 4 main key takeaways. So we can easily find some trends and key insights, right? So we could see here the thread splits. So one camp insists links and authority drive resilience. Another urges experience-driven content and broader topical coverage. There's also discussion about AI overviews, shifting the user behavior. And it looks like quick fixes are downplayed, but durable gains do come from authority plus depth and intent alignment. So within a few seconds, we can very quickly grasp the main insights that the various users offered in this entire thread. So we don't need to manually read everything and decipher this information ourselves. We could essentially just use AI to do everything for us. And these are the specific comments that ChatGPT set as primary branches. And you can click to view these various specific comments. And there are 9, but also some additional linked comments at the bottom right here. You can also take a look at various interaction patterns amongst users within that thread, and also a handful of notable quotes. So very quickly, we are learning tons of helpful information, actionable tips that we can possibly implement if we do come across ourselves, our website getting affected by any Google update, specifically the July update, just like this specific user experienced. Now again, you can use Claude, Gemini, and also DeepSeek to summarize this thread, and you can summarize all threads on Reddit. Okay, so go ahead and use this feature and use it to your advantage. Learn from these various threads, gather some helpful insights using AI instead of you manually scrolling, reading all of the comments yourself. So hopefully you thought this video was helpful. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click on any of these videos to watch more. Thank you, and we will see you in the next one.